The Manipur police apprehended 15 individuals implicated in the theft of construction materials from the premises of the National Institute of Technology, Langol and neighboring properties within the Langol area of Imphal West District. The arrests made on the 21st of May 2024 mark a significant breakthrough in the ongoing efforts to curb illicit activities in the region. The coordinated operation, spearheaded by the Manipur Police, was initiated following reports of rampant thefts plaguing the construction sites in Langol. Acting on gathered intelligence, law enforcement officials launched a meticulous investigation leading to the apprehension of the alleged perpetrators. A case has been registered and authorities affirm that the investigation remains underway to ascertain the full extent of the criminal network involved. In tandem with the crackdown on criminal elements, security forces have intensified search operations and area domination in both hill and valley districts to bolster public safety. Vigilant measures have been enacted to facilitate the smooth movement of essential goods, with 233 and 286 vehicles ensured passage along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2 respectively. Stringent security protocols have been implemented across vulnerable locations, accompanied by security convoys to safeguard transportation routes.